Yeah, man, Wagwan. Welcome forward to Sandy and Bones TV. You don't know. Everybody I wonder what happened with Queenie and Sicka Rymes for Queenie now come out and talk or I really go down with the man Sicka Rymes. No? So you don't know Sicka Rymes forward pan a live and did their whole a reason. You see it? Man, enough of them did their talk. And my talk I really go down where man Queenie fall out. You see it? Yeah, man, and you don't know. Queenie is a big woman, so she don't want nobody tell her nothing. So she don't want this little young youth come and give her a song and tell her if you run her life and them thing. But you don't know, she don't really understand the music part and the business part of the thing. You see it? Yeah, man. So that just caught up to her. For things when I go on, but Queenie just fly come to Jamaica too fast. The hype get to her. So you see it, that just break up she and Sicka Rymes thing. You see it? That's my opinion that pan the thing said speed now. So if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV. You see it. So anytime we have a brand new video, you get it fast. You see me, you don't have to wait no time. We forward now video and see what I want.
Already. What do you think?
Ah, God.
But at the song, but it's not Sicka. You see, the song where she have no name do it. And you can't sit down because that song, you know.
Yeah, but
So
what
the
you
song
know,
bad, the
what
song
you
get a
know,
lot of attention.
but what you know to know that is not because it's not just one song. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
She'd have another song where I go forward Maka to her say, Uncle Nofia, tell you say. She should have go Jamaica yet, because everything did a build up. She even did have a song where that come with a Shan Storm as well. So if all of them song there just voice up and release and nobody not say Queenie. When Queenie touch road no man, people have to spend millions to see her.
Ah! Yeah,
But
yeah, yeah.
when you go too early now, you break that now. You understand what I say? And also, yeah, some people say me do a song for your daughter. Yeah, me do a song for your daughter to the pass away. Too. You see me? But that one, them me just tell her to play it every day on the live. You see me? Because it
Yeah,
makes she
yeah.
feel good. You see me?
All right.
But the song where you give her now, it open the can
But
of worms.
the Dewey song, listen, as me tell you, the Dewey song, yeah, it's not the biggest song she have. I mean, I tell you, I mean, I write her thing them. I mean, I
Yeah.
produce it in them. The Dewey song is just a hot song for now. It gonna last about 2 months. Like, I just a hot song to run with now. It not a substance where I gonna last the next 3 years. You understand what I say? You see the Macadam and bounce song now, that I gonna last. You see Queen in the next song with the gear as well, that is a song where I gonna last a lifetime. But the newest song is not a song where people go and listen to
Like
the
a
next
commercial
two,
song.
three
Yeah, yeah.
months. Yeah. That is just an instant buzz, instant hit song. Everybody catch it. Bam,
The
bam,
ears,
bam.
yeah, the ears, yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
You understand what I say? But
So
there's only more tune they did as well. And also
what
rap have only
Danny, what Sika tell you, you know, is when me I try to tell you, say, Queenie have 12,000 people, like how we have 278 now, and the five, 300 or one, 400 pound or one, whatever, and that a fair regular money. That's fine. I get it. And that's what she say, you know. But when you say you got those song now and the person I try to explain to you, no, this is how it go. You want to collect more than 500 or 300 because when they call you, you have to charge a 10,000 pound, a 8,000 pound, like a Stylogy and a Steph London, and that's where your level I got there. But Queenie never did I get that. Queenie never did I understand that. Queenie no want nobody tell her nothing because she's up on her live and Nicki Minaj come on. And you know, remember if you book a Nicki Minaj at 500, you know, 1,000, you know, 600 till it go a million because them a book with streaming, you know. Zine, them a book with streaming, you know. So what's the kind of try to show Queen the Queen? You can collect a 10,000 pound, you know, with ease, you know. Zine? Yeah, with ease. Explain the Sicka.
Right now, I just Maka in the class now, man. I have some crazy thing in Maka right now, like crazy
Danny,
fire.
don't want you
Like,
to make Sicka voice here, you know, because I see, You might crap and rapper doing song, but I don't think
Hold on there, we can talk about rapper. Mr. Hold on there. Me hear rapper, hear me rapper born again.
his song so good.
Yes.
Which song? Hold on, which song? Yeah, you thought they like living the life.
Living the life.
So you know, hear the new one with the rapper crap on him, son.
No, me hear that I live in the life when me at the buggy and I smoke the big cigar and me like in dressing and all of that. Me see, me love it.
Rapper crap on him, son. Uncle Nuffy.
Yeah.
Uncle Nuffy.
Yeah.
I tell him some turn a rapper crapper's son in a cloth artist.
Let me not.
Sicka, I forgot this somewhere put it on. Me have two big songs to buy it, you know.
Hold on, man play a piece. Hold on.
We have an head chance.
Rapper crapper, don't report the live. No, we don't want.
No, Sicka. Drop the new rapper crapper.
Era.
Don't clap.
Yeah. So, and at the first time rapper son actually a record. You understand me?
No, sir. Sicka.
This is the original screwdriver. Start the thing.
Yes, well, this is the original screwdriver, you know. Yeah, man. Big up Dominic. Seeing blessed. I remember the 80s when the transition start. Yeah. Who said Dominic favor boy George and all of them thing there. Yeah. No mama Sharon you're pregnant. Ganja killer. Yeah, no put it there, all them big thing there. Yeah, we're there, you know, the original. Yeah, I came up for Robert of Thursday. But you know, unfortunate, I didn't want to sing the 80s like, you know, Mother looking southern all them tune there. What the hell the police can do, let me all them thing there, but you know, unfortunately, that's
and your first big hit was
yeah,
Yes
right.
Mama.
Yes, mama, no mama, yes, mama.
And
Sharon not pregnant, you're pregnant, no mama. Then you look so sicky. You know them thing there. But life goes on. You know, see it?
And
no
you go live in Miami for a long time, right?
Yeah, I've been there for a long time.
Yeah, and you continue your career.
This is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bones vlog. More of the people them just tune in right now. Like and subscribe on them channel. Seeing this is a brand new release from Ashabash. Yo, you must never make them hold you back. Push them more, them chat. Can't stop y'all when the road them black. Rise and shine and show them that you are no crow. Forever money, you know hold them that. Born with ambition, never run empty, always load your pot. So when them a open a rush, me show them flap. Surprise them, kick off the door them flat. Got all keys for all the road them lap. Bad mind, only thing me know them got. Bad see them, sow them reap, cause them know them crop must fall. Pan them face, make sure them jump. Hand and foot and toe get pop. Eat them a fight me. Put in pan them like when the fire cold get hot. Defeat them mightly, yes. In a deep hole them drop. Boom.